Oh, what's going on here? Ooh.
Brisket time.
Handzi's Pit.
Yes, sir.
Slam James Pit.
Yes, sir.
Take a look what's going on.
Pit Boys for life.
We're gonna carve this to make it fit a little better.
Oh,
Oh, maybe. No, that's good.
oh man. You smell that? It smells good.
That's right. Mother pit.
Mother Pit. Look at that. Woo-wee. What we got going on there, Henry?
We got some ribs. We're gonna let them steam a bit. We're gonna add a little butter, candy them up a bit, and we have a couple of Boston butts underneath there.
Get them in there. Look at that. Yeah.
And we got our porchetta.
Yeah. Coming along, getting beautiful.
Yep. Oh,
Man.
we have the butter.
Beautiful. Yeah, we're gonna do that.
I'll let you go.
This is all about, man.
Good time.
Oh yeah, that's
Great grub, better people.
That's it.
Pit
That's it.
Boys.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got tired of eating polar bear and beaver, so I decided to come a little further south, you know, in the plains where there's lots of cattle, sheep,
Yeah.
piggies, you know.
It's a little safer down here.
Yeah, polar bears tend to be very grumpy.
Yeah.
They don't like anything
Yeah, that's what I
except
heard.
human flesh.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's it.
I don't want to be eaten by a polar bear.
Yeah, yeah.